Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 23rd to the 29th of November. Smack dab in the middle of this, we have Black Friday. Smack dab in the middle of this, we have Thanksgiving. We also have these boosters, a 7 back when you spend 35, Black Friday promotions excluded, a 15 back when you spend 45 on dental care, and a 7 back when you spend 25 throughout the week on anything, so you can use this in concert with the Black Friday deals. And there are some pretty respectful Black Friday stuff. We're going to talk about it. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 23rd. Again, Black Friday will start on Wednesday the 26th and probably go right till the 30th. And then on Thanksgiving, most Walgreens will in fact be closed. If you live in a really big city like Chicago, for example, probably a couple of the pharmacies will be open, but for the majority of us, our stores will be closed, but you can still do curbside deals. Just pick it up the following day. Hasn't been a Black Friday ad over at Walgreens that's been this exciting in probably like 5 or 6 years. I'm talking Ferrero Rocher for $5, Mrs. Meyer's for $3, a Keurig for $55. Now, a lot of you might be saying $55 for a Keurig. You can use $50 of Walgreens cash and pay $5 if you're really trying to do things on the cheap. I mean, look at this. I got an email today from Office Max where they're like, our Keurigs are starting at $149.99, and I almost fell over and died. So that $55 is not looking bad in my book. So we'll have to wait and see. Just a couple other highlighted items include this little 3-pack of the Maybelline mascara. We have a $4 coupon, so that's going to make it $6 for a 3-pack of mascara. I think a lot of us are going to get that starting on the 26th. Again, none of this fun starts till Wednesday. We have the Mrs. Meyer's Holiday scented hand wash. So we're going to look for that in the regular Christmas aisle, not with the regular hand soap, but $3. I mean, that's a great gift if I've ever seen one. And the Keurig for $55. The original price is $110. We also have the Walgreens hand mixer, coffee maker, or toaster, 50%. It's probably going to be like 20 to 30-ish per Walgreens brand appliance. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the buy one, get one free. Hershey is still the top one, which includes the Kisses and a lot of the other goodies. But buy one, get one free. So this was last week and continuing this week. If your IBOTTA still has this rebate, you can do it up to 5 times, $1.50 back per bag. So that's a fantastic. Grabbing 2 bags of the Hershey's Kisses, scan those UPCs to ensure that you're grabbing the right ones. You're going to pay that $6.99, get $3 back from IBOTTA, making it $3.99 for the 2 or $1.99 per bag. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And how fantastic is that? Also, another super deal this week is with the Dove shampoo at $5, 4 off a 2 digital coupon, and a $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these, it's $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo. No booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. I am on the hunt for some mouth rinse or the Crest mouthwash, whatever you call it. $5. I think it's going to be around that price. Grabbing 2 of them for $10, subtracting that digital coupon. I'm going to pay $6, get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per. No booster again. I can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn my register reward, but not a bad little deal. Now we're looking at the Olay bar soap for $8. I think we're going to get a 5 off 3 digital coupon with a $5 reward when you buy 3. IBOTTA has $2 back with a limit of up to 3. Walgreens is the store. So grabbing 3 of these at $8 a pop, that's $24. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $19. Get back a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt for $6 back from IBOTTA. Makes it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per unit of soap. A lot of people love bar soap. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Our safeguard is buy one, get one 50% off, $2 reward when you buy two with a $1 off 2 digital coupon. If you go over to IBOTTA, another $1 back when you buy 2 of these safeguards, and Walgreens is one of the stores. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $8.23. These containers have a huge amount of hand soap as well. So if you're like, this is stupid, it's not, because you're getting like a ton of hand soap. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7.23, get back a $2 register reward plus a $1 back from IBOTTA. Not a bad deal. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Same deal as last week on the Schick. For the men and the women's, you're going to grab a razor for $9.99 and a cartridge for $14.99. We have $3 digitals on both, so that'll subtract $6. You'll pay $18.98. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. The Batiste dry shampoo on a buy one, get one free promotion. It makes it $12.49 for the 2 or $6 and some change per. This is one item that always makes a really great little stocking stuffer. So I know a lot of you are playing Santa, so not a bad little stock up price. Week for this deal where the Hello toothpaste is $5. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per unit. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it, but not a bad little deal for some very expensive toothpaste. And I know a lot of us like to stock up when it's this cheap. Newer couponer or looking to build your stockpile, this is the one you're going to want to participate in. The 4 for $10 for these P&G laundry care products. It makes it $2.50 per unit, which is a very good price point. The bounce dryer sheets, I believe, are also part of this. Fantastic. $9.99 for the Downy Gain Tide laundry care. Usually with the Gain, we get one for the liquid and one for the pod. So grabbing 2 of those, it's going to be $19.98. Subtracting the two $2 coupons. Again, you're going to have to get a pod and a liquid to make sure you have $2 coupons on both. You'll pay $15.98. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.98 for the 2 or $5.49 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Other deals I absolutely love is this scent plug booster. So it is the kit that you put those oils in. $9.99 with a $5 digital coupon. It's $4.99. Perfect for that $35 basket. The Mr. Clean household cleaners is $5.99 with the $2 digital. It's $3.99. These are 41-ounce bottles, and it is Mr. Clean, so it is a good quality multi-surface cleaner. So if you want to stock up, this is definitely the week to do it. We're going to jog really quickly through some honorable mentions. The first one goes to a buy 2, get 2 for free on the Coca-Cola products. Fanta's included. Somebody's going to be laughing right now because I just said that. With Thanksgiving on Thursday, lots of these, they're trying to really get you to buy your beverages at Walgreens, and 3 for $15.99. Fantastic. Pepsi, it comes in as the cheapest, 3 for $13.99. That is really, really good price point. Mountain Dew included. We have some snacks for $1.99 for some of these nuts. I think I need to grab one of those peanuts for $1.99. That is a really good price point. And we also have the chips on a buy one, get one free. Definitely for my curbside deal on Monday, we're going to have to investigate a deal with that. And the trash bags, the small and the medium, buy one, get 2 for free. It usually shakes it out to like $1.47 per unit. Stock up week. And another stock up price is 93 cents food storage bags. It's typically $2.79 for the first with 2 for free. So it makes it 93 cents per box of 20 food storage bags. That's it for this video. If you want more info on Black Friday, watch the video linked right here for all the hottest Black Friday deals over at Walgreens. It's going to be really exciting. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.